Hi, friends. Again, welcome to week 14. Wanted to kind of go over some of the long I spelling patterns or different spelling patterns for the long I. Let's see. I'll try to share the screen. All right, guys, let's look at the whiteboard and kind of think about those spelling patterns. So what are the spelling patterns we have? Just I, right? I says I, we have just Y, because we know that sometimes Y says I. We have IE, right? Because when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. We have IGH, I, right? So it's a three-letter long I, which is kind of long, right? Three-letter long I, right? I. And then also, friends, we have I with a magic E, right? The silent E. So lots of different spelling patterns for the I sound, right? We have I with the silent E, and we also have Y, silent E with Y. Okay, so look at your spelling words for this week, because you have lots of different spelling patterns. Silent E with Y. Okay, and we're gonna kind of go through that as well. Um, because wow, that's a lot of different spellings. Um, the long I sound is when it says the name of the letter. So it sounds like I, right? Just um, and sometimes it's just I. We have the long I sound. And sometimes, right, in words like rye, right, or different words, we also hear the long I, right? But the I or the Y makes the I sound, right? In words like cry. And then we have the three-lettered long I, as we know, IE says I, and the three-letter long I. Um, so I will watch that. We'll review that too. I go home tonight, or just I go home. IGH is another spelling for the long I, right? Like hi, I. So be watching for that spelling pattern. Lots of spelling patterns for the long I sound this week. We'll go through these as well, but just kind of be practicing these and be aware of these spelling patterns. So we have also the Y, just like in words like cry, right? Okay, guys, so just kind of watch for those spelling patterns, keep practicing. I'll see you soon.